Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew on Twitter. And today I'm going to be doing a bit of an analysis of mostly the altcoin market. And we're going to be looking at a pattern that I think I see across the board that is a bullish sign if we do see a bounce back and this pattern becomes into play. So that pattern that I'm talking about is a double bottom pattern. And over here, as you can see, you have the initial dump that creates the first bottom, which we see over here in XRP at around 23 cents ish, goes all the way down to around 21 and a half with a wick. And then you have a move up which brought us to about 31.75 cents. And then we had another dump down. We made it all the way back down to 22.1 cents with a wick. And right now we're pretty close to where we were before. Very possible this is a double bottom, and this is a pattern that I'm seeing across the board. What we need to see though is a move to break this back up over here to this zone for this to really be a confirmation. So let me show you guys another cryptocurrency where I see this much more visibly. So that next cryptocurrency is Deep Brain Chain. And as you can see, we've had a very large dump from around 0.005 all the way down to 0.01, 0.00116 around there. And we even wicked all the way to 0.0077 at the height of this candlestick right over here. And it looks a lot like this chart over here. So you have the move down right over here. It curves, makes that move up, and then it comes down again, and that's where we have that second bottom. And to confirm this, I would like to see a move above this zone, eventually reaching up to 0.009, which is a large increase. It's about a 655% increase from where we are now. So I'm going to show you guys this on the monthly chart as well. So on the monthly chart, this looks a lot more like this. And I'm sure you guys can see how clear that is. Don't pay attention to all these wicks. This is a low cap coin. Usually you do not have such wicks like this in a normal market, but being that this is a low cap, that's normal. And as you can see, it creates some sort of W pattern. So as we can see here, we have the move down, you have that first move up, then it comes down again to over here. And now we're just going to wait to see for confirmation what happens next. I would like to see a nice, strong monthly candle after this that would get us higher than where we were before, maybe even, maybe not. But over the next couple of months, I would like to see some strong monthly candles that would signify a reversal and the move into that next move up above the neckline in order to confirm a double bottom pattern on this chart. So now I'm going to show you guys another coin where I see it very visibly as well. All right, so right over here I have the next one. The chart on the right that you see is ARKUSD. And as you can see, we had a very long bear market on this coin like we had with pretty much every other single altcoin for the past 2 years. At all-time highs, this coin was at around $12 and change. Right now, it's sitting at about 15 cents. So it has a lot to move. I believe it's like 100 times its value to its all-time high, 100 times its current value. But if you look over here, you can see this is another picture of what a double bottom could look like. And you can see the pattern is pretty much the same. This whole move down over here is the same as this whole move down all the way over to the first bottom. And as you can see, this pattern right here, it creates some sort of almost like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And that looks pretty much the exact same. You have this move over here, which is pretty much this. Then you have the move down, which is this. And then you have the next move up right here. And then it comes down again. And then it initially, I'm sorry, then it actually bounces right back up in the long term and brings you to this zone right here. I'm trying to figure out where that zone could be. It could be here. It could be here. But, what we can expect is a long term bounce that would bring us to a much higher price than where we are now. I wouldn't be surprised if this gets us to around 40 to 60 cents in the long term. And this is something I see across the board with most altcoins. So that's pretty much it, guys. There isn't much more I could say about this. I hope that we see further movements across the board upwards. But right now, I would just say I'm going to continue accumulating at these low prices and just hope that these do turn into double bottoms. But if they don't, I would say we're probably shooting lower if these supports don't hold. Hopefully, we won't end up in that sort of situation. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Definitely check out my site. I post analysis like this daily. We post news articles daily, very important crypto news articles. And we also have free access to our cryptocurrency and Bitcoin basics course where we teach you guys about buying cryptocurrency, how to buy altcoins, what exactly is Bitcoin, what exactly is blockchain. We go into depth about all that. We also have a Telegram signals chat. Everything is down below. You guys should definitely check that out, especially if you're new to crypto. It can be very useful. All right, take care, guys.